Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Husky Puppy Supplies is probably one of the most crucial investments you'll make as a new pet parent, ensuring your fluffy companion gets a healthy and happy start in life. From cozy beds that cradle them through their growth spurts to durable toys that satisfy their chewing instincts and nutritious food that fuels their boundless energy, selecting the right items can feel overwhelming yet incredibly rewarding. This video will guide you through the essential gear that will make your puppy's transition into your family as smooth and joyful as possible, setting the foundation for a lifetime of love and companionship. Number 5. YABIFE Super Quiet Dog Nail Grinder and Clippers Kit. Experience a calmer grooming routine with our super quiet pet nail grinder. Its low vibration and sound, under 30 dB, ensure a relaxed trimming experience for your furry friend. Trim with confidence thanks to the built-in LED lights. They illuminate the nail's quick area, providing better visibility for precise and safe trimming, especially for beginners or dark nails. Achieve a perfect finish by first clipping excess length and then using the grinder to smooth rough edges. This routine leaves nails neat, less sharp, and makes grooming faster. With 3 adjustable speeds up to 12,000 revolutions per minute, you can customize the power for any pet size. Start slow for sensitive pets or use higher speeds for a more efficient trim. This all-in-one kit includes the grinder, clippers, and safety guard. It's USB-C rechargeable, offering over 12 hours of use on a single 2-hour charge for convenient cordless grooming. What we like? This nail grinder is designed for a calmer grooming experience, with a working sound lower than 30 dB. The built-in LED lights help you see the quick area more clearly for safer trimming. If you have a pet that gets anxious during grooming or you're new to nail trimming, this is a great option for a more relaxed at-home routine. What people say. The crate is sturdy and easy to assemble, with a secure latch system that keeps my puppy safe. The food and water bowls are appropriately sized for a growing puppy and are easy to clean. The chew toys are durable and have helped redirect my puppy's chewing behavior effectively. Number 4. Well-loved calming chews for dogs. Our veterinarian-developed calming chews are designed to help your dog relax during stressful times. They offer a safe and effective solution for anxiety and unwanted behaviors. Proudly made in the USA, these chews are crafted with your dog's well-being in mind. You can trust the quality and care that goes into every bite. Experience rapid results as these chews begin working within 30 minutes, providing up to 12 hours of calming support. They offer a delicious bacon flavor that dogs adore. Formulated with only natural ingredients, these chews are free from wheat, dairy, sugar, and artificial flavors. They provide natural mood support and a calming aid. Choose a brand you can rely on. Developed by veterinarians and manufactured in a GMP-compliant facility, these premium supplements ensure your pet receives the best. These calming treats are ideal for various stressful situations, including separation anxiety, fireworks, and travel. They can also help manage hyperactivity and excessive barking. What we like? These calming chews are veterinarian recommended and made with natural, holistic ingredients to help support your dog during stressful situations. If your dog experiences anxiety from separation, fireworks, travel, or vet visits, these treats can provide up to 12 hours of calming aid and peace of mind for you. What people say. The crate is sturdy and easy to set up. The food and water bowls are a good size for a growing puppy. The leash and collar are durable and comfortable for the puppy. Number 3. Pet Nail Polish Pens, Quick Dry 15 Colors. Introducing our Quick Dry Nail Polish Pens, available in 15 beautiful colors. They are designed for easy application and are completely safe for your beloved pets. Tired of waiting for nail polish to dry? Ours dries in under 30 seconds, ensuring the color stays on their nails and not on your furniture. Our innovative 360-degree soft-tip pens make application a breeze. It's designed for a precise and simple experience on any pet's paw. Choose from a stunning palette of 15 colors, including amaranth red, Maya blue, and wild willow yellow. There's a perfect shade for every personality. We prioritize your pet's well-being. Our formula is crafted with pet-friendly ingredients, ensuring a safe and enjoyable grooming experience for them. As an American-owned company, we are dedicated to providing top-quality products. Your pet's happy paws are our ultimate goal. What we like? These nail polish pens offer a quick drying, pet-friendly formula for easy application. With 15 different colors, you can get creative with your pet's look. If you're looking for a fun way to accessorize your pet, especially for special occasions or just for a pop of color, these are a great choice for a safe and simple application. What people say. The crate is sturdy and easy to set up. The food and water bowls are the perfect size for a growing puppy. The leash and collar set is durable and comfortable for the puppy to wear. Number 2. GJYC Pet Magic Foam Paw Cleaner. Introducing our innovative paw cleaner, designed for both dogs and cats. Its gentle yet effective foaming action cleans paws thoroughly without any rinsing needed. The brush head features soft silicone bristles, ensuring a comfortable and safe cleaning experience for your pet's delicate paws. It's designed to be gentle, so you don't have to worry about any discomfort. This cleaner goes beyond just removing surface dirt. It deeply cleans paws, removing fine dirt and eliminating unpleasant odors, leaving them fresh and clean. Crafted with natural plant ingredients, our formula is healthy and non-irritating. It's pH balanced to ensure it won't harm your pet's paws, making it a safe choice for regular use. No matter the size of your dog's paws, from small breeds to large ones, this paw washer is designed to help you clean them effectively. It's a versatile solution for all your pet's needs. As a family-owned business that loves pets, we are committed to creating products that prioritize your dog's health. We use only the best ingredients, ensuring quality and care in every bottle. What we like. This paw cleaner uses a magic foam and a soft silicone brush for a deep clean without rinsing. It's made with natural, pH-balanced ingredients suitable for all paw sizes. If you need a quick and easy way to clean your pet's paws after outdoor adventures or muddy walks without a full bath, this is a convenient solution. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well to my puppy's chewing. The design is easy to clean, which is a huge plus with a puppy. My puppy loves playing with this toy, and it keeps him entertained for hours. Number 1. Natural Dog Company Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil. Introducing our Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil, a premium supplement designed for both puppies and small dogs. It's packed with essential omega-3 fatty acids to promote a healthy coat and skin. This convenient 8-ounce size is ideal for those new to fish oil supplements, growing puppies, and small breeds. It's an easy way to start a daily routine for skin, coat, and overall wellness. Simply pump this fish oil directly onto your dog's food, wet or dry. It adds essential nutrition and a natural flavor that even picky eaters will love, without the need for pills or powders. Crafted with a blend of wild-caught Alaskan salmon and pollock oil, this supplement provides natural EPA and DHA. You can trust that it contains no fillers or artificial additives. This supplement is formulated to help maintain skin moisture and coat softness. It also supports everyday comfort, especially during seasonal changes or periods of dry skin. Essential fatty acids contribute to healthy joint mobility, heart function, and immune support. It's perfect for active dogs of all ages needing foundational omega nutrition. Responsibly sourced from wild Alaskan fish and verified for species and origin, our oil is carefully processed to preserve nutrient integrity. You can rely on its trusted quality. What we like. This salmon oil supplement is made with wild-caught Alaskan salmon and pollock oil, providing essential EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids. It's designed to support healthy skin, a soft coat, and overall wellness for puppies and small dogs. If your dog suffers from dry skin, excessive shedding, or you're looking to boost their daily health and coat condition, this is an easy-to-use food topper. What people say. The crate is sturdy and easy to assemble. The food and water bowls are the perfect size for a growing puppy. The leash and collar set is durable and comfortable for my puppy to wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.